Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, let me show you how easy it is to create mind-blowing professional product images, storybooks, mock-ups, and marketing graphics using Flaxxa Studios. I promise you've never seen anything like this. You'll see how anyone, even with zero experience, can visual content with ease using Flaxxa Studios in 3 simple steps. Flaxxa Studio is an AI-powered design workspace that turns ideas into publish-ready visuals for every major internet use case: social media, e-commerce, print-on-demand, marketplaces, websites or blogs, ads, education, and agency branding. It combines fast image generation with pro-grade editing, brand consistency controls, commerce mockups, storybook creation, batching, and team collaboration, so one project can be created once and delivered everywhere.
Welcome to the official demo video of Flaxxa Studios. As you can see right here, from a quick glance, we've got multiple different tabs for you to navigate through the system. For example, if you want to go through any of the left creators, you can put the keyword right here, for example, social post, and it will pop up the designer section of it, and you'd go directly to it and start working. Now, as you see right here, we've got Nano Banana, which is a Gemini trendy thing that you all know of. We've got it integrated right here. What you can do is basically take any of these sections right here and replace them with any image you want. For example, if I want to do that guy, I did it already, so we can check it right here. So that's me replaced with him. And even my tattoo is right here, which is really nice. I actually took the tattoo exactly as it should. Now, here we've got multiple different tools. There's over 75 tools in Flaxxa Studios. Here we got the design studio section, art creator, social post designer, photorealism, t-shirt designers if you sell t-shirts, prompt to image, logo maker, wildlife art, next gen image studio, poster creator, pattern maker, sticker studio, AI influencers as well. In this section, we've got coloring sheets, partner sketch, YouTube thumbnails, kids tales, graphic icons, pattern makers, scripted stories as well, animal portraits, consistent character, storybook, personal tales, wall art canvas, cover designer. And we've got as well AI assistants. AI assistants actually help you with your tag. They're there to assist you as agents, so they don't do the full job. They assist you with the job. Consistent characters, you got 2D and 3D art styles, realistic photos, and multi-consistent characters as well as an AI art creator to create canvases, any kind of art, really. Let's go through some of the popular sections right here. Let's go with prompt to image. For example, let's place a car that is branded by Monsuri in Monaco with a license plate 1, number 1, and a nice blondie woman next to the car. Let's do that. I just came up with it. Private quantity is 1, and let's generate. Now, there's something called prompt enhancer. And if you press that, this will be changed and enhanced for a very detailed prompt, which we placed in here. But I don't want to do that right now. I want to keep it simple just to show you how powerful the image is going to be out of this simple prompt, like easy human kind of prompt. So let's do that. And it's generating. Now I'll give you the story about that one. So now it generates and processes, and we'll wait for a bit and look at that, guys. As you can see right here, if you see, let's go zoom in. So it got me a car in Monaco, a luxury car, and this lady right next to it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful outputs. And our system is always enhanced and getting enhanced by our team. The outputs are gonna be even better. Now, If we go through, for example, let me go through this tool, the Pat tool, because I like it. Where was it? Animal portraits. Okay, a dog with fancy cigar, all serious, and with Ray-Ban sunglasses on. Now, here, high quality clothing. Let's do superhero. Let's do realistic. Let's do castle, and let's generate the portrait. Now, in this section, you're gonna see this guy. So I generated this guy under royal, having a cigarette in his hand, and I look the output, and I generated this guy too with his cigar. And look at that, it looks amazing. Right here, this is being generated as we speak. And look at that guy, superhuman, next to a castle with a cigar and Ray-Bans on. This is crazy, isn't it? Perfect. There's a lot of sections here, a lot of different tools, a lot of different ways to generate images that serve your business and your agency and serve your customers as well. There's all the tutorials right here to show you everything. But as you can see, we simplified everything for you to generate amazing outputs. And you can regenerate them. There's no limit. Here we got the agency reseller section. If you got into the bundle, here is all your projects, here is your teams, and here is your folders. As you can see right here, there's a bunch of them. I actually created that. So I gave an out input, a prompt, and told the tool to create me two luxury branded cars under Mansouri in Dubai next to Burj Khalifa. And that's what I got. Future of Luxury arrives, Dubai 2019 Mansouri. As you can see right here, that's the M in the middle. So this is modified by Mansouri in 2019, apparently. I hope you're happy with the demo, and we'll see you on the inside.